Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about two free and very useful global land cover datasets. Before going to see that those two global land cover datasets, first we will see what is land cover data. So land cover data is nothing but what is present on Earth's surface. For example, water, forest, cropland, that kind of classified data sets called land cover data. That land cover data will be very useful for environmental analysis, geology analysis, for many geographical analysis purpose. So for that, like some data sets already freely available in the high resolution data sets. In that those data we will see it this video, so how we can download those data for like for any place in the globally. In this list, first freely available data is like ESRI data sets. So this data set resolution was like 10-meter resolutions. This ESRI data sets available from 2017 to 2024. For each year they have the land cover data sets. For that we can easily download it from Living Atlas website. So I will click this website. You can see livingatlas.arcgis.com under land cover website. In this website, they given the full detail about how they calculated this land cover classification using Sentinel-2 and Sentinel-1 datasets. So if you see in this website, if you come downside, here you can see the option for like land cover imagery options. If you click this land cover, it will redirect into land cover explorer site. In this site you can download the that particular year of dataset. So for example, I will zoom out for any area in India. So here I zoom out. Here in downside there will be option called download geotiff. If I click this geotiff options, so here you can see like that image it will get loaded. So first we have to select the year like 2017 to 2024. There will be a slider, it will be there. So for example 2020 I will select and I will click download GeoTIFF. After that it will redirect into like tiles kind of website. In this website, like for your region of interest area, you need to click it that particular slide. So it will show again, it will show the year. So if you click for 2020, it will get download for 2020 year datasets. Then you can open into QGIS or ArcGIS. Then you can see the classification. You can do layout and clipping everything. So this is the one high resolution website, high resolution land cover datasets they provide by the ESRI. Then another datasets called for ESA WorldCover datasets. That datasets also like resolution of 10-meter, but only for 2 year only in the datasets are available. Year for 2020 and 2021. So this ESA WorldCover data developed by European Space Agency. So for that we can access using two links. One is for like ESA website, another one is for in Google Earth Engine. Also the datasets will be available. So for example, in WorldCover 2020 website, if you click means like it will redirect into wellcover 2020.esa.int download website. In this in this you can redirect and you can click the that particular tile, that datasets, it will get downloaded for whole region. After that, for your region of interest for smaller area, you can clip it out and you can do the mapping. So both datasets are very accurate, but in some region that accuracy will be vary. So if you are going to do for if you want to do it for like land cover analysis for any area of interest means like within 5 years means you can directly use for ESA or ESRI land cover datasets. So thank you.